And then apparently, I guess it's kind of like a new idea for the video for the episode. Then all the fans basically gave me 5 likes of Razor versus Jinx. What?
Where the hell am I? Who the hell are you?
Ah, shit, no, another one! Okay, Kermit, who the fuck is she? That Razor is from a different planet. Her name is Uzi Doorman. She's a construction drone, and she has the most powerful absolute solver in the universe, and... What? Okay, do you have, like, a budget change or something? Okay, what the hell do you mean a budget change, Kermit? Like, that doesn't explain that you told me that, like, that I have a budget change or something. What the hell happened to you? Replacement model budget increase?
So you guys like know me or something? That's like kinda creepy. But also mildly enjoyable knowing that apparently my name is not synonymous now.
Well, of course, you're basically Uzi Dorman because, you know, you're the legendary of, you know, basically from Glitch Productions. But anyway, what the fuck do you want from me this time? I didn't do anything. Why can't you guys just leave me alone?
No. I would say it's flattering that some that random people from apparently other universes know me. But yeah, no, it's just kind of creepy, so.
Don't make me do this, Uzi.
Do what?
Don't make me say it.
Say what?
Fight me!
Bite me!
Was that new?
Oh, no, this is definitely.
What's going on? Ah!
Christ, gosh, what the heck happened? Oh. This is new. Sin, did you have anything to do with this?
Ah! Oh, God Christ almighty, she has a budget increase. Okay, what in the absolute fuck? Did you just unlock a budget increase level again?
The hell is a budget increase? That why I look like someone I'd see on the internet? Don't get me wrong, it's cool, but I really hope there's not theater to me like this.
The last one's debatable. Okay, that right there was a budget increase. And I have no idea that your Reagan can actually, like, you know, explode and gives you a budget increase anime look.
Wonder what else this thing could do. I know Sin's still with me, but strange.
What's happening? Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey! No, no, no! No, no, no! Bad! Bad Uzi Dorman. Bad! Wait. Wait. Hold on! Hold on! Wait, hold on! Hold on a second! Razor! Help me out here, please! This is good! Okay. The crazy goth girl is starting to make me go crazy for some reason. What the hell is this video right now? Shut up, Cell, no one asked you. Hey, are you okay up there? I'm feeling about to go crazy for some reason. Uzi? You okay up there? Okay, I think that power is getting way too much. And...
That was too funny. That was hilarious.
Uzi, are you feeling okay?
Okay.
Alright, are you chilled? Are you okay now? And I think for some reason you might actually be stuck in the giant form.
Guess I completely went off the deep end there.
Yeah, you probably did.
Still really big.
Right. So, there might be a crazy slight budget for this one, so I don't know how long you keep this video for long, so,
Must be. Isn't your friend of that frog thing?
Right, I'm Reza Zorku from the Multiverseverse, and, I'm kind of like basically the owner of the Multiverseverse YouTube channel. And, Uzi, I think you're probably stuck in that...
They don't even answer me.
Are you okay still?
Quite strange, really. Quite strange.
Yeah, I feel I'm turning back to normal for this one.
Anything to do with it?
Snap.
No, of course you don't.
You know, I'm turning you back to your normal size. Screw this. What? What the? Wait, why is it?
What's that? What's that gesture?
I was stepping on my fingers. I was supposed to go
Humans.
make you go back to your normal size, and
Never can understand them.
fuck. I think it might be stuck in here. I think it might be stuck in that giant form forever.
Should I like kneel down or something?
If there is a way that I can turn you back to normal, hopefully, I guess might as well boop your nose. Hopefully.
You're quite strange. You're one of the first humans I've interacted with in, gosh, probably like a millennia.
God forsaken, damn it, Kermit. Okay, don't know if this will turn you back to your normal size, but I hope this works. What the fuck? Oh, for God's sake. Okay, I think it might actually be permanent. Fuck me. For fuck's sake, I thought the booping your nose will work. I guess not.
I can get used to these hands.
Oh no.
They have like claws on them.
Oh, for God's sake, please don't. Uzi, wait, no, Uzi, wait, no, oh God, fuck, ow, what the Jesus, oh God, Kirby, senpai, please stop watching this video, please, oh God, it's everywhere. Wow. Okay, that was kind of unexpected. Alright, Uzi, that's enough. I think Razor already had enough already. Since you're not basically from the Multiverseverse YouTube channel, or perhaps not in the Devil Army's universe, I'm going to turn you back to your normal size.
Yeah, no, I don't see that happening.
Wait, please don't tell me they're about to kick my ass again. Please don't. I get my ass like, I don't know, 30 times a week by Razor himself. Wait, hold on. Uzi, we can talk about this. Uzi, hold on. No. Please don't. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh my God. Kyrie, stop watching the video. Please stop reacting to the video. Oh no.
Well, that was something. Didn't think this form even really had that with it, but it does, 10 likes and we'll do this again.
I should be like you, Mel.